some special class at night, especially physical student. Here, I want to show you the tutorial how to use our mouth to make a beatbox from our mouth. Let's check it out. Okay, now we will begin our tutorial. Okay, the first that you must know about how we use our breath and our mouth so balance, because of without the balances of our mouth and breath we cannot get the perfect sound that we can know as a beatbox. Okay, the first step or the first that you must know is your mouth is so fresh like this. Second, I think that you should train your breath so loud, because of beatbox need the long breath to make the perfect beatbox. Okay, the first step that you must master in this tutorial is you must make the BTK. This is the first or the basic steps of making beatbox sound. The first is B, like this. You just say that with the out air of your breath, like this. And absolutely, you must hide the vocal E of the B, like this. Just like this. Okay, this is the first step. Okay. Next, the second. I think that the second is not is very so easy, because we can master it in 1 minute. Because as I know that the TV pattern, it can be so simply for every people that must know about beatbox. Okay, the second pattern is T, 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 T. In T, you must close your teeth like this, and your tongue to your teeth like this, and out your air of your breath like this. And after that, you can do like this. You can exhale your breath to make the perfect take like the S sound, like snake sound, like this. Okay, and the main pattern of the T is okay, like this, like I do. Okay, and the third, guys, you must know. I think that this is not like our eyes are turning our head, because of the third pattern of beatbox is something that it can be for you, but you must train for every day, because of K is so simple but difficult. Okay, like this. If we can say K, but in the K pattern you must inhale the K on your breath. Okay, I think that K is the main or the perfect sound from our mouth, because of it can combine with our breath and our skill like this, and you must inhale it, and after that you can do it like this. Yes, okay, I can give you the basic pattern, namely BTK. There is 3 pattern like this, BTK pattern, and it can more be difficult if the pattern is BBTK, KB, like this. And there are sound effects that you can try in your tutorial or in your training sessions, like this: water flow,
and there is the the specific sound from your mouth if you always train by yourself, especially for your mouth and your brain. Okay, before I close my tutorial about beatbox, let me show my beatbox. Here. Yeah, and the last is hip hop music here. And happy anniversary for Jason English course. I hope Jason English course will be better in the future, especially for teaching the new generations like me. I'm Hadika Lubis, or you can follow me at Instagram Hadika_LBS, and you can see the other tutorial in my profile Instagram. Okay, see you at my next video and see ya.